Allah tells you, you want Jannah, you need visa. Here is the requirement. You will not lie, you will not do shirk, you will not do this. You need to show me your record of salah, you need to show me your record of your mouth, you need to show me record of this, record of that. Then we don't want. We say, no, leave it, never mind. Allahu Akbar. Look at man, look at man. And the beauty with Allah, Allah is merciful. He says, no problem. If you don't have requirement, just ask for forgiveness, I will give it to you. Allahu Akbar. Look at the power of the deen, the power of Islam. We are Muslims. We are proud of our religion. And our religion is simple, straightforward, easy. The problem is we don't have enough knowledge and we are not prepared. Sometimes shaitan keeps us so busy. Morning to evening, every day there is a routine. We don't even spend a small time to try and learn the religion. Small time. If you start your day with a little recitation, little bit of the meaning, and you look at it, wallahi, your day will be beautiful. You will move so beautifully through the day. So let's try this, inshallah.